Today we're going to kind of back up. We missed lesson 4.3, so we're going to go back and do 4.3. It's not very difficult, but we're going to talk about proportional relationships. You need your notebook out and a pencil. Here's what I want you to put down for what we're going to call, instead of direct variation, we're going to call proportional relationships. Relationship. Okay, so pause the video and write this down if you need to. In words, it's when two quantities, x and y, are proportional. The relationship can be represented by the direct variation equation y equals mx. This is going to look awfully familiar to you because y equals mx plus b is our linear equation. This is just y equals mx, where m is the constant of proportionality. Going to the graph, this is the one where we're going to probably use the most. The graph of y equals mx is a line with a slope, so it means a linear line, straight line, slope of m that passes through the origin. So this is what we're going to look for. We're going to look for a straight line that passes through the origin, so 0, 0. Those are the two things we're looking at. Look at the picture here. We have a straight line, and it passes through the origin. Those are the two things we're going to look at. Pause the video and write down the definition if you need to. Otherwise, we're going to talk about finding a proportional relationship on a graph and on a table. Graphs are easy to do. You don't have to work with a partner. We're going to do all together. You're going to tell whether x and y are in a proportional relationship. Explain your reasoning. So again, we're looking for a straight line. I'll use SL, straight line, and make sure that it's 0, 0. So is this first one, letter A, a straight line? Yep, it is. Does it go through the origin? Yes, it does. This is a proportional relationship. Letter B, is it a straight line? Yes, it is. Straight line going down. Does it go through the origin? No, it does not. It is not a proportional relationship. We call it non-proportional. Let's try a couple more. Letter C, is it a straight line? We're going to ask ourselves each time, straight line, does it go through 0, 0? Is it a straight line? Yes, it is. Does it go through 0, 0? It is close, but no, it doesn't. So it is not a proportional relationship. Letter D, straight line? Yep. Go through 0, 0? Yep. This is a proportional relationship. Graphs you can usually tell fairly quickly. Now, let's take a look at tables. We're only going to do two of them. We're going to do one that is not proportional and one that is. So again, you're not going to work with a partner. We're going to do it all together. And you're going to tell whether x and y are in a proportional relationship. Explain your reasoning. Straight line, 0, 0. Same thing. Straight line, we need to have a slope. So we're going to have to find the change in y over the change in x. Change in y. This is going up 110. This is going up 125. This is going up, I don't know, more than 125. So this already, these are not constant, so it is not going to be a straight line. It doesn't even matter if it goes through 0, 0. Because we don't have a definite slope, obviously this goes up by 1, but this bottom part is not a constant. So this one is not a proportional relationship. So that is your first guess on whether it is a linear equation or not. The other one would be if it did not pass through 0, 0. So let's take a look at F. Change in y over the change in x. Change in y, we're going up by 1. Change in x, we're going up by half. So yes, it is a straight line. Now, does it go through 0, 0? So we're going to have to make it go to 0, down by half. Make it go down by 1. Yes, it goes through 0, 0. So this is a proportional relationship. You're still looking for whether it's not a straight line and if it goes through 0, 0. Straight line, you have to find slope. 0, 0, you have to make sure that it goes through 0, 0. So your homework is 5.3 practice, which is right after this video, 1 through 12. 6 of them are going to be graphs and 6 of them are going to be tables. If you have questions, please let me know. Good luck.